Hello, Coach Phillips here. And real quick, I actually forgot to mention, as far as identifying lines and planes, that there is a second way of actually identifying these lines and planes. So first off, let's look at this line real quick. So one way we can identify this line is by looking at the points here. So I have point AB, and remember, if I want to identify this as line AB, I just have to draw a line with arrows on both sides, indicating that they keep on going in both directions. Now notice how I got the have a cursive L right here and one of the arrows here. Another way we can identify this line is by saying line L just like the way it is, as far as the cursive L. So there may be times when maybe like a cursive M or a cursive L right here telling us, well, there's another line. That's just another way of identifying the line. It's by saying line L. So there is two different ways to identify this line. So I want you to be aware that if they say line L, this is what you're looking for. Now, another way of identifying the plane, that's a little bit weird. Excuse me. There we go. Okay. Another way of identifying this plane here is by noticing the 3 points. So we can just say plane A, B, D. Or if you look at the corners here, notice I have a C right here. If you have a letter at one of the corners, you can say plane C. Okay? So there may be a problem when they're asking, identify 3 points on plane C. That's what they're referring to in the corner. So I'm showing you this video so that way you guys actually know that there is a second way of identifying the lines or the planes. Typically with array, it'll be the same way. So for example, if you see array like that, typically you can just say ray R. It'll be the same way. You don't normally see it with segments just because typically those are your points, okay? So you definitely won't see it with segments, but you may see it with rays. It's more common to see it with lines, and with the plane, they'll just put a letter in a corner. So just be aware that there is a second way of identifying lines and planes. Thank you.